Forhair is run by Dr. Cole with 30 years of hair restoration experience, and we offer the most cutting-edge technology available. In fact, the Forhair Enterprise sub-company Cole Instruments manufactures custom-made tools and automated tools for hair restoration physicians all over the world. Our quality, expertise, and skills are superior to other clinics. Our reputation and results are the best in the world. It's time to restore your hair. It's time to choose Forhair.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications of Forhair's video uploads. For online consultation, click on the link on the screen or in the video description.